A car in good working condition is a must during the cold winter months. Have maintenance service on your car or truck as often as the manufacturer recommends. Replace windshield wiper fluid with a winterized mix. Replace worn tires and check the air pressure in all of your tires. During the winter, keep the gas tank near full to help avoid ice in the tank and fuel lines.
Number one, you've got to make sure that the antifreeze is fresh and working because you don't want to lose an engine to a freeze. You want to make sure that the tires are the proper tires for the area that you're driving in. For example, up in Michigan, you might want to have studded tires because of the packed snow and ice on the road. Here it's not quite as important, but all-weather tires are important. When your windshield is iced over, you should first of all start to scrape. But one of the things you should not do is use gasoline on it. You should not use boiling water on it because it's likely to crack the glass because it's so doggone cold. You just want to make sure that you fully scrape the windshield and then brush off any excess snow and ice off the car, because if you leave the scrape on the hood or on the trunk, it'll fly off in traffic.
Since most of us don't stay home all the time, having a small emergency supply kit in your car or truck is a good idea in case you become stranded in bad weather. Important items to include in your vehicle are a cell phone, portable chargers, and extra batteries. Batteries lose their charge quickly in cold weather, so you want to have extra batteries with you. A shovel, in case you need to shovel snow from around your tires to drive. A windshield scraper. Frost on your windshield makes it difficult to see when driving. A battery-powered radio and extra batteries to keep informed about storms. A flashlight and extra batteries. Water. Snack food. Extra hats, coats, mittens, blankets, and boots. Tire chains. Canned compressed air with sealant. Road salt and sand. Booster cables. Emergency flares. Bright colored flag and help signs. First aid kit. Tool kit. Road maps. Compass. Waterproof matches and a can to melt snow for water. Paper towels. And a supply of cat litter or bag of sand for traction.